So, I figured out a weird thing that I didn't know was a thing. So, if you go over here by this waypoint, and then you go up this path, the volcano will erupt. Every time. Every single time. Or if you just go in this area, it will erupt. So, let's see. There it is. This is the 5th time it's done this.
Watch out! The volcano's erupting!
Made it out. I discovered this because I wanted to log out and I want to go up there with the Saurian and its babies and just log out right there. Like, do this and then log out. But then the volcano erupted like 3 times in a row. And I was like, what the heck is going on? And I just realized this is just a trigger area.
Oh, finally!
Let's go try that again and see if it does it again. Alright. Is it gonna do it again? Looks like it is. There it goes. It never fails. I don't know if this is a glitch or not. But yeah, this is the 6th time I've got it to do this. Oh. Again, I wonder if this is a glitch or something, or just a really weird trigger area. So then I guess for new players who want to trigger the volcano or see it erupt, just go over here then.
Is it over? Yeah. Seems like it's over.
Careful what you say, Paimon. Let's see. Looks like it's gonna do it again. Oh, yo, you need to patch this. Again. Except when I go over here, and those Saurians over there come over here, they get stuck over there and they can't come over here. They get hit. Yeah, look, here they come. They're gonna come over here. I'm gonna get hit. Almost. It never fails. It never fails. Again. Go here and go up over here, I guess. And then it'll like start like right there.